Okay, I'm gonna admit it. I am a noob at color grading. So how did I make this into this? Well, I used a very cool plugin called Dehancer. Let me show you. First, let's go to the color page, then add a serial node, and then apply the Dehancer plugin to that node. From here, you can change the source. I'm gonna select Rec 709, and then from here, you can start making adjustments. And if you go below here, you will find this film section where first you need to download it. Let's hit download. Once the downloading complete, you will get 60 plus presets, and with each effect it will change the look of your footage. Okay, that looks good, but I want to make it look more cinematic. Down here, if I change this black point, then look at that, it's already starting to look like cinematic. So here's a comparison. This is before and this is after. Can you see the difference? Like if I tried to do the same thing with all these color tools, it would have taken me forever and still it won't look this good, which I just did with few clicks. Let's try another one. Okay, for this one I want it to look like more dreamy, like this scene is from someone's memory. So to do that, we just need to find the appropriate profile. Oh, this one looks good. Okay, so let's try to adjust this one. So from here, let's increase it and let's increase the black point and also the white. And yeah, this looks good. So this is the before and this is after. Like I'm still amazed how well it works. Oh, and I forgot to mention, you can use this plugin directly from the edit page. I don't know why I used the color page at the beginning. Yeah, so I thought I should mention this. By the way, Dehancer is not a Resolve exclusive plugin. It's available for all the other major video editors. And recently they launched a new iOS app which I can't show you, although they gave me a full license of everything, but I don't have an iOS device. But what I do have is this Affinity photo. So let's check out Dehancer in Affinity photo. So I'm gonna use one of my thumbnail for this. Now let's launch the Dehancer plugin. Okay, so now that we have this window, from here we can access all the profile, and from here we can use any of these filters. Let's try this one. The colors are more popping, and you can see you have all the similar sliders that you had in Davinci Resolve. So here you can see there are a lot of options, so I can't cover all of them, but yeah, this is what I made with few sliders. So this is before and this is after. I think I'm gonna use this thumbnail. But at the meantime, if you want to use the Dehancer plugin, you can use LMX10 for 10% off on the checkout.